So guess what happened today? I went to the airport to Gatwick, which is miles away. It's a real hassle going there. And then, as it turns out, they're cancelling all of the flights because there's some guy flying drones over the airport. Obvious, I was like, okay, I'm getting out of here. So I got straight back on the Gatwick Express, the train that takes you back. And I went back home. And I think, honestly, I was quite lucky after that because everything happened. I started looking for flights immediately, but there were no flights to, you know, to get another flight for either later or tomorrow, preferably. There was nothing for under £300. And then just when I was about to get something at 11 a.m. or so, suddenly a bunch of flights appeared. I guess because there had been so many cancelled flights appeared, so I grabbed one just as they were appearing. So that was really lucky because I was just so scared to not be able to get home for Christmas. And this already happened to me 1 year where they cancelled my flight because of the bad weather. It's a nightmare traveling Christmas. It's just, I hate it. Christmas has become something that's just not fun. Everywhere is saturated with people and everything's more expensive and there's just no reason for it. And I still have this cold that never goes away. So anyway, I got back home swiftly. I went to get a coffee. I'm gonna make myself some Christmassy I'm just gonna treat myself, just rest and chill out, do some stretching, maybe go to yoga later. Honestly, it's the best possible outcome because I was feeling pretty shit this morning after not having slept at all. I mean, I still haven't slept. I should really get some sleep, but you know, at least I can chill. And I think I'm going to take a lot less things. I'm just reorganizing my whole luggage. I'll show you what I have right now. Also, it's a nice day. It's a sunny day. So I was taking all of this. To be fair, half of that is presents. But what I'm going to try to do is fit everything into a small suitcase. I don't know how I'm going to... Dried fruits. I got some kombucha, the organic kombucha that I like. I got all the stuff that I usually don't want to spend money on, basically. I got some samosas, eggs, because I want to have avocado toast with eggs. I'm classic and easily satisfied like that. And I got this deodorant, one for me and one for my mom. It's a natural deodorant. I think the base of it is rock salt, which is already what I use. I use a rock at the moment, one of those salt rocks. But this one is aluminum free and everything free. And it smells like vanilla. It's called Vanilla Orchid. It just looks so nice. And I never buy this sort of stuff. So I was like, just get it. It was £10. And chocolate mulberries, raw chocolate mulberries. So I think the treat for me in Christmas is treat yourself with things that are nice and good for you. Resist buying the panettone. What I'm doing this year is if I go somewhere and they offer me food, I will take it. But I'm trying so hard not to buy my own and accumulate it at home because then I'll eat it. And you know, when you're at home, you're eating aimlessly, you're not socializing, you're just like binging. Check out my brunch. We are on our way to Federal again. A mí no me gusta nada Nochevieja. Un rollo. Nochevieja es un rollo, todo artificial y todo. Sí, y el problema de estos días es que tampoco puedes hacer vida normal, porque si por lo menos te dejaran en paz a ti, pero es que no te dejan. Tienes que fastidiarte o celebrarlo. Yo ya ni cojo el teléfono. We are on our way to Federal, the girls of the family. I'm with my auntie, the yoga teacher, my mommy, and my little sister. And they already charged my auntie less because she gets so many taxis that they know her. And I was like, why does he know your name? And we just like got a special deal. See, it's a lovely day. It's quite sunny. And I'm feeling great. Entender que no vives en Londres, vives en un barrio de Londres. Ah, ya. Entonces en el momento en el que tienes que moverte a otro barrio, que es como otra gran ciudad, pues hay que coger no puedes coger un Via, tienes que coger un tren. Es verdad, es que es así. Porque es que es como irse diariamente a Castellón. Pues sí, no lo hago todos los días. Yo cada vez que me voy al centro. Pero bueno, no te creas, a ver, en autobús yo para ir al sitio de baile tardo menos de media hora, ¿eh? Ay, qué frío. Qué bien, cuánto me apetece un all press. Give me love, give me peace on earth. Les voy a hablar de cosas. Give me love, give me love, give me. I'm having a cappuccino, single shot. Cappuccino. She's gonna have an Americano, but she's having a lemon meringue cake. And my mom is having a carrot cake, and I'm waiting for eggs actually. Ay, no, qué horror. I'm gonna have some scrambled eggs. Ala, mira lo que me ha salido, una cruz. Ah, ya, eso es una de las cosas. Eso es si le das a no. Olimpia, Mommy just did her Instagram stories. They have ordered 2 more croissants because that wasn't enough. I just got my eggs. She got her yogurt. I'm gonna do a video about my Christmas haul, but this is one of the things that is so special because I've been wanting a diamond ring. Just a really simple daily married myself kind of ring. And I found one in an antique jewelry place, which was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to get something not new because I just don't think it goes. I just came back from Pilates. It was good. I mean, it was well taught. I found it, for my level, very basic. I understand that if you haven't even stretched, then you need to do that. But I could have done another 3 classes at least. I mean, that was good as a kind of warm-up. This kitchen has all the New Year preparations, such as grapes,